MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional commercial AC installation in Pottstown, PA, helping businesses maintain comfortable and energy-efficient indoor environments. Our experienced technicians design and install high-performance cooling systems tailored to the specific needs of your commercial property. Whether you operate an office, retail space, restaurant, or industrial facility, we ensure your new AC system delivers reliable cooling and optimal efficiency. We work with trusted brands and handle every step of the installation process with precision and care. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for dependable commercial AC installation in Pottstown, PA, and keep your business cool and comfortable year-round. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for commercial AC installation near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides commercial AC installation in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional commercial AC installation in Pottstown, PA for offices, retail stores, restaurants, warehouses, and other commercial properties. A reliable commercial air conditioning system is essential for maintaining a comfortable environment for employees and customers during hot Pennsylvania summers. How much does commercial AC installation cost in Pottstown, PA? The cost of commercial AC installation in Pottstown, PA depends on factors such as building size, cooling capacity, system efficiency rating, and installation complexity. Larger commercial buildings may require multiple units, advanced zoning systems, or upgraded ductwork, which can increase the overall project cost. What is your commercial AC installation in Pottstown, PA? Our commercial AC installation has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagliesville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parkerford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/